don't want this to fucking explode up here, which we haven't yet. But there is some discussion about how much water. All right, now that's looking good. That's the fun. So you could let it go now, or you could wait. It just depends.
Now, does it, like, how long you leave
That
it on there?
That is steep. Yes, of course. All that is a factor. That's probably not gonna. So I mean, I don't know.
So the water started in the bottom bulb and percolated up?
Yeah.
Now it comes back down.
It's going to create a reverse vacuum too.
The reverse vacuum just high pressure?
It's sucking it down.
Okay.
Well, it's probably going down with gravity.
Oh, I see.
But like
so it's like
when this fills up, this will be hotter than that, so it'll
Uh-huh.
start to create turbulence.
So there's actually a vacuum in the bottom.
Well, they call it a
sucking
back pot. So I don't know how it actually works. Where all the back. See that? It's like starting to. That's my theory, is that the more, this is really hot anyway, but like when the coffee comes down, it's actually, look at that, that's accelerating faster than you would think, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's,
Probably a lot of thermodynamic properties going on right here.
oh yeah, for sure. And that's not even it. Here it comes right here. See all these really massive bubbles. It's pretty interesting.